Hello everyone, you're welcome back to tmath tutorial. Today we will be looking at polynomials, and under that we shall consider the remainder theorem. So what do we mean by this? The remainder theorem states that if the polynomial f of x is divided by a linear polynomial s minus a, the quotient is q of x and the remainder is f of a prime, such that f of x equals s minus a multiplied by q of x then plus a. I want you to notice that it is not necessary we use long division method to get the remainder when we are doing division. It is not necessary we make use of long division method. So if you are not making use of long division method, so we can use the remainder theorem, and that is what I'm about to explain to you. So in the last video I treated how to divide a polynomial. You can do well to subscribe and get that video. So now I will be explaining. I'll pick an example now and explain what I wrote here for you now. So let us look at this example. I said that find the remainder when 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 3 is divided by x minus 3. So from this question, write solution. Our f of x equals 3s cubed minus 2s squared, then plus 4x plus 3. So we are dividing it by s minus 3 divided by x minus 3. So from here, we see that our x minus 3 is the linear polynomial I'm referring to s minus a. So if we equate s minus a, if you equate it to 0, we are going to get s equals to a. So we now look for f of a. That f of a will be our remainder. So from here now, what I will do here first is to say x minus 3 equal to 0. So since x minus 3 equals to 0, I can get x. Therefore, my x equals 3. So to get the remainder now, remainder will be equal to f of 3. So that means we are going to substitute f of 3 to this polynomial we are given here. That is to our f of x. So we are going to look for f of 3. Therefore, my r equal to f of 3, which is the same thing as 3, open bracket, this 3 is it, open bracket, 3 to the power of 3. Then minus 2, open bracket, 3 to the power of 2, plus 4, open bracket, 3, then plus 3. So the remainder, which is equal to f of 3, equals 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3, that's 27, minus 2 times 9 plus 12 plus 3. So the remainder r equals 81 minus 18 plus 12 plus 3. So r now equals 81 minus 12. I think that should give us 63. Then plus 12 plus 3. So r equals 78. So without using the long division method, we're able to get the remainder here. That the remainder is 78. So if you use the long division method, you are going to get 78 as well. So we take another example. We're going to take another example on this. So let us look at this second example. Find the remainder when 2s cubed minus 7s squared minus 10s plus 15 is divided by 2s cubed. Here, you have solution. So from here, our f of x remains 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 10x then plus 15. These are f of x. So why this is the divisor, 2x minus 3 is the linear polynomial. So this divided by 2x minus 3. So this is the divisor. So what I said is that what you are going to do here is that we equate this divisor, 2x minus 3, to 0. So we come here and say 2x minus 3 equals 0. So therefore we have 2x equals 3. We divide both sides by 2. So we cancel this. Therefore our x equals 3 over 2. So since x is 3 over 2, we come here and say that therefore our r equals f of a, or f of a prime rather, which is equal to, that is this f of a, that is we substitute the x we have here. This x is same thing as 3 over 2, which is what we refer to as s minus a here. This 2s minus 3 is the same thing as s minus a here. So when we take this a to the other side, probably we introduce equal to here. That means we are going to have s equal to a, and that's what implies here. So this is our a. This is our a, which is what we have in here. So r now is equal to f of x, which is the same thing as 2 open brackets. The value of our x here, 3 over 2, we substitute. That's 3 over 2 in brackets to the power of 3. Then minus 7 open bracket 3 over 2. Then squared. Minus 10 open bracket 3 over 2. Then plus 15. We observe that the value of our x here is also the same thing as a, which is the same thing as a. Is what we substituted into the polynomial, into f of x. So r now equals 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 cubed is same thing as 27 over 8. Then minus 7 times 9 over 4 minus what do I have here? That is minus 10 times 3 over 2, then plus 15. Alright, so 2 here 1, 2 goes in 8, that is 4. So what again? Then 2 here 1, 2 here will give us 5. So my r equals 27 minus, 27 over 4 minus 63 over 4 minus 15, then plus 15. So r equals, you can find the LCM. So the LCM of 4 and 4, that is 4. So 4 goes in this 4. 4 goes in 4. That's 1 times 27. That will give us 27 minus 0.41 times 63. That's 63. Then minus 15 plus 15. Minus 15 plus 15 we cancel out. So that means we are left with r equals negative 27 minus 63. I think that should give us 36 over 4, which is equal to negative 9. So our remainder r equals negative 9. So when we are given a polynomial, we are dividing it by another polynomial which is of a less degree to the polynomial we are given. We can make use of the remainder theorem to get the remainder of that polynomial we are given. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do well to like, comment, and as well you subscribe.